Hey guys, so we are in another week of remote learning, and I made the schedule for this upcoming week. We are back on track with our assignments, multiple assignments a day, which means that you should refer to the schedule every single day to make sure that you can check off each box that you have accomplished them. That's why I make the schedule, because one, it helps me make sure that I put everything that you need, but it also helps you so you can always refer to it throughout the week. First thing is, as you can see, I took away the do now section and I just made it the attendance. It is very important that every day you go to the attendance section of our classwork and do that daily attendance. It is really a way for me to make sure that you have checked in for the day. Sometimes there's a question, there's an activity, so that is mandatory. Second thing, for math, if you popped into my last week's video chats, you would know that today you have a topic 14 math assessment on Pearson. Please make sure that you do it by the end of the day. That is all your math homework, math activity for Monday. Tuesday, you are going to have two math assignments. One is a quizzes and the other is a freckle. They will both be posted. You complete the quizzes, you complete the freckle. The only way the quizzes one will work is if you have already attached yourself to our class on quizzes. So if you did not do that last week, please make sure to reach out to me if you need help, because you need to make sure that you are connected. On Wednesday, you will be introduced to a fraction project. As you can see on Wednesday, once you get introduced, you're going to get a video, you're going to get all the information, and you should get your brain starting to brainstorm on how you are going to make your project. Thursday, you are going to actually work with a partner, so you need to actually plan out with your partner when you will meet, either through a video, either through chatting in a box, when you're going to meet and how you're going to plan out how your project assignment. And then Friday, you should be working on your project. And all the information will be in the video when you get introduced to the fraction project. So I wouldn't stress it too much, but just so you know what's going to happen this week. For reading, I want us to become amazing, phenomenal, fluent readers. Best way to do that is to, you guessed it, read. So reading on Epic, reading on Raz-Kids, reading a book at home, reading to your siblings, reading to your parents, reading out loud, acting it out. There's no excuse for not reading, especially when you have the choice of whatever topic you want to read about. So I should see you logging in your reading log so I can see what you're reading, and you should just keep on reading at least an hour a day. Miss Hanai is too. And then for our ELA assignments, let me just explain them to you. So on Monday, you are going to have your last day to revise your fairy tale, your adaptation of your fairy tale. So you're going to revise it, make sure that it's exactly how you want it to be, and then you're going to turn in your draft to get feedback from Miss Hanai. And one thing I would recommend is that you can always go back to the lessons I gave up until today in the writing and really just make sure that you have that in your writing. On Tuesday, you are going to get session 6 of our writing lessons. You are going to learn what it means to annotate your draft, and you are going to set a personal goal for your next fairy tale adaptation because you are writing another one. On Wednesday, you are going to be sharing your fairy tale adaptation with a partner, and you are going to get feedback and give feedback to partners. And then session 7 on Thursday, you will get a lesson from Miss Hanai and you'll start planning your next fairy tale. And Friday, you're going to start drafting it. So if you stay organized, if you stay on top of your assignments, you are not going to feel super overwhelmed. If you do, please reach out to me because there's nothing worse than not doing an assignment, but also just not letting me know what's going on. So Let me know what's happening. Tell me what you need help with. Message me, Class Dojo, on Google Hangouts. Um, and then we can definitely make adjustments if we need to. Make sure that you are being respectful, responsible, and kind. I miss you dearly. Please refer to this, and can't wait to see you soon in our video chats. Bye, guys.